today we're going to learn about plot elements in books. So what are plot elements? Plot elements are how the author arranges the story to develop the basic ideas. There's 5 points that can help readers understand what is going on in the story. And basically, plot elements are a sequence of events in a story. So there's a beginning, middle, and end. Our first point, which is the exposition, is an introduction to a story which includes characters, backgrounds, and setting. And it's the basic knowledge and traits of these materials. So you will see that this is the beginning, which is the exposition on our Little Mountain plot map. Point 2 is rising action. Events in the story become a little bit complicated. The conflict is revealed. So like incidents or any form of struggle, that is what conflict is. These events are in between the exposition and then plot point 3, which is the climax, which we'll talk about in just a second. And on our map, our rising action's right there. Plot point 3 is our climax. It's the turning point of the story. Readers are wondering what will happen next, and it's usually the middle of the story. So this is the really most interesting part when you're reading a book. So there's our climax, which is at the very, very tippy top of our mountain, which is like the middle of the book. Then our point 4 is our falling action, which the resolution, like conclusion, starts to begin. It's ending up the story, wrapping up. The events and complications start to fall into place. And so on our little map here is falling action. And then plot point 5 is resolution, or also known as conclusion, which is the final outcome of the event in the story. So this is how the story wraps up and ends, and you're done reading the book. Here's our resolution on the map. So that's all what plot points are about. Hope you guys learned a lot, and we'll keep practicing in class what plot points are.